the recipe that will save you time. Cut the chicken breast into small pieces and put it in a bowl. Add grated cheese. One grated potato. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix all the ingredients. Put the mixture into the Ziploc bag. Shape a rectangle. Stack a few bags with the mixture and freeze for 3 hours. Melt the butter in the heated saucepan. Add garlic, red bell pepper, and hot pepper finely chopped. Mix well. Add flour and mix. Pour in cream. Add grated cheese. Finely chop a few green onion stalks and put them in the saucepan. Stir the sauce. Season with salt, sweet paprika. Mix again. Take the frozen mixture out of the bags. Cut into equal pieces. Dip the slices in beaten eggs. Coat in breadcrumbs. Fry the slices until they brown nicely on both sides. Remove onto a serving platter. I love these chicken breast croquettes with potatoes, especially when I serve them with the creamy sauce. They are perfect for delighting loved ones.